Hi everyone. So welcome to the another video of Jenkins tutorial. So today in this video we'll see how to build our monitor view for our Jenkins projects. Okay, so far we have created a number of projects in our Jenkins. So we have to monitor those builds. I mean all the projects builds are executing correctly or what is the status of the project, right? So this build monitor view plugin will help you. Here you can see build monitor plugins provide the high visible view of the status of the selected Jenkins job. Okay, so what are the project or what are the job that you have created? You can monitor those jobs like it is getting failed or success, everything you can monitor through this Jenkins build monitor view plugin. Okay, so this one you can download this plugin. So this is a build monitor view. So here you can see the documentation, right? So this is how this will look actually. So here you can see this is a picture of our build monitor view. Okay, so whatever the coming in the red color, you can see this is a failure one, and if it is orange or something yellow color, which means something like a partially succeed or fail, or you can see the green color is completely successful, right? So likewise, we can build our monitor view for Jenkins job. Okay, so this is a plugin that we have to add. You can go to your Jenkins and make sure you have login and go to the manage Jenkins option. Here you can find the option called manage plugins, right? So once you go to this manage plugin, this is a plugin that we have to add. So our plugin name is build monitor view. Okay, so you can copy this name and you can come here. And so since I have already installed, it will be coming in my under installed tab. So for your case, it will be coming in the available tab. Okay, so here you can come here and you can paste that build plugin name. So this is a plugin name, build monitor view. Okay, so now you can see I have already installed this one. So that's the reason I'm getting in the install tab. In your case, it will come in the available tab. So now we can see the version it's 1.12, right? So if you go to the releases, so here also, here also you can see this is 1.2, the last release, right? So the same release we have installed already. So now what we can do, once this is installation done, you can go to your dashboard and here you will you will see this button, right? So plus icon, when you click on this plus icon, so now you can see there are so many build view coming, right? So build monitor view, build pipeline view, build delivery pipeline view, right? So this build pipeline, delivery pipeline I will cover in my next video. So today we'll see about this build monitor view. Okay, so you can name anything like you want, like so this is my build monitor view. Okay, I will name like this. You can name anything that you want. Okay, after that you have to select this one and click on OK. So here we can come and we can select the projects whatever you want. So this is a description. It's just optional. If you want to give any description, this message will be displayed on this page. Okay, so you can give us like a, okay, this is build pipeline, build monitor view. Okay, so after this, you have something called filter queue and filter build executor and all. So after this, you can see the job filters, right? So status of the filter, like so you want to see only the enabled job or disabled job or all jobs. So in our case, we'll select all selected jobs. So here you can see the list of jobs that you have. Okay, so these are the projects that I have created in my Jenkins. So these many projects I have in my Jenkins. So now I can select the projects, whatever I want to see in the or monitor view. Okay, so now I have selected 4 projects. Okay, so after that you have one more option called filter, right? So only GitHub branches or select status filter, anything you can apply. So for now we'll leave as it is, and this is the name that we have already given. And what is the status order, right? So you want to see the order of your project, like a display by the name or full name or status, right? So we'll go by the name itself. So after this, you have something called build monitor widgets. Okay, so this one is display committer. Okay, if developer commits, then it will come here to display committers. Okay, so for our case, nothing is connected with the GitHub. So I will ignore this step. And after that, you can click on OK. Okay, so once you click on OK, now you can see this is a build monitor view. Okay, this is a title that we have given. This is my build monitor view, right? So here we have selected 4 projects. Those 4 projects are coming here, right? So here you can see 3 builds have failed, and this is success, and this one also success, and this is something aborted, right? Which means something build is getting cancelled, right? So now we can come to this configuration and you can ignore this scale and all. Okay, so we can see the difference, right? So if you keep like this, you can see all the builds. So this is like a, your configuration setting based on the user that they view kind of stuff. Okay, so if you give like this, so it will be in the single column. Like so, if you want to see the multiple project, like you can adjust the scale, text scale. Okay, So after this, maximum number of columns that you want. So now I have selected as a 2. So that's the reason I'm seeing as a 2 column. If you put as a 4, 5, then it will come as a this one. Okay. So after this, we have some color blind, like so you can see this option for color blind mode, right? So you can see the changes and reduce the motions and show the badges. I mean, we didn't select this badges, so that's the reason it's not coming. So when you click on OK, so this is how your build monitor will look. So now if you additionally want to add some other projects, right? Again, you can go to the configure tab. And here, so we have selected only 4 projects, right? So now I will go ahead and select some other projects also. Okay, so these many projects I have. I will select all the projects, maximum projects I will select, and I will click on OK now. So now you can see there are so many projects are coming. Something is, the Cucumber report project is partially, it's not success one. So this is green in success, and this is cancelled one in the gray color, and the red color is, failed cases, right? So if I go to this Cucumber report, I can see the last bill status. Okay, so now you can see this is on a yellow color, right? So which means, the build is success. So due to some other reason, it gets some failures or something it could be. Okay, so I will go to the console and see what status actually it is. Okay, so the build is unstable, right? The build is success, but the result, we are trying to generate some report that is unstable. So that's the reason we are getting this orange color. Okay, so this is how we generate the build monitor view for our Jenkins. So again, you can go to monitor view, and from there you can go to a number of projects. So for example, I want to see this extend report is its aborted status, right? So if I go to this report, project, you can see my last build was cancelled or aborted. Okay, so the gray color, right? So which means this one is aborted. The yellow color you can see here, it is unstable, right? So whatever that comes in the yellow color, it's unstable. The blue color is success, and the red color is failure, right? So that is what we are seeing here. So if you go to this pipeline SEM or Newman Gate Trigger project, right? So now we can see this one is last build was failure, right? It was not successful. So that's the reason it's coming as a red color. So this will help you to monitor your build. Okay, my last build is getting succeed or not, or failure, or some other any issues like aborted or cancelled or partially success, right? So those kind of details you can see in the build monitor view. So this is how we create the build monitor view in the Jenkins server. Okay, so now again, if you want to go back to your project workspace, like you can simply click on this Jenkins icon. It will take you to your dashboard. Okay, so these are the projects that I have. So those will come into this view. Okay, so once you created this one, then you can go to here you can find the tab, right? So this is the tab that we have created now. Okay, so when you go to here, and you can see all the monitor views for the particular project that you have selected. Okay, so here you can adjust the things like a text scale. So if you want to see in the bigger text, then you can adjust things. Okay, so if you want to see the multiple column, like instead of 3, 5, you can increase. Okay, so this is color blind. You can see the changes on the background, right? And this is a reduced motion. I don't know what it is. Maybe some UI related stuff. That's all about this build monitor view. Okay, so this is how we create the build monitor view in the Jenkins server. Okay, that's all about this video. Thank you guys.